I grew up on a dairy farm in Charlestown, West Virginia, and I didn't really like to milk the cows, but I did like to fix things. We didn't have a lot of money, so most of the time we had to try to fix what we broke, and that's what I did. I was the guy who fixed the things. And then when I went to college, I had a friend of mine introduce me to dentistry, and I had no idea of the things that they did in dentistry. I didn't know that when you made crowns and things like that you could cast stuff, and I didn't realize that there was brazing involved, and a lot of the things I had actually worked and did on the farm. So immediately I'm like, yeah, this is something I think I'd like to do. And as a dentist, that's probably the biggest challenge that you have. Someone comes in with a problem and you got to figure out how to fix it. What is the problem and how can you fix it? I originally came to Newmarket in 1995. We had a 3-day-old son and we had a 4-year-old daughter. And we moved to Newmarket, we bought a practice here. A lot of the patients, they don't like to drive to multiple places and go and have different things done. So we learned how to do root canals, and I learned how to do implant dentistry, and I learned how to do cosmetic dentistry. And there's just so we could bring it here and not have people to go different places. And a lot of times, there might not be one way, or there might be one way that you want to do it, but maybe the patient can't do it that way, and you have to figure out a different way. So that's how I got into it.